we're starting this vlog very badly because it was a whole beep show. Karen, you can explain.
Okay, so basically what happened, we woke up and then we went to our oil change, and then I was like, wait, where's my fanny pack? Because that's where my credit card is and that's how we're gonna pay for this oil change. And it turns out I don't have my fanny pack because we left it in El Centro, which is 2.5 hours away. So I called them and they're like, oh yeah, we have it. And I was like, okay, great, we'll come back to get it. But then I talked to Rebecca and she was like, we're not gonna come back and get it because it's 2.5 hours away and that's a lot of driving.
Can I explain? It's 2.5 hours, but round trip it's 5 hours. And we're getting to a friend's place afterwards, so it'd be a 6-hour drive to get your credit card. So I figured, you know what? Just close it, cancel it, whatever, and just order new ones.
Yeah. So that's why it's a beep show.
Okay, we're gonna go get our windshield repaired, but I'm just thinking, like, how are we gonna pay for it?
But you have your credit card.
I know, and I always say, oh, how am I gonna pay for it? I mean, I have my credit card on my Apple Pay and my physical one, but it's not the one we use usually because that one has, Karen's credit card has this like conversion fee that's waived and stuff, and it's all this like travel card thingy. So, long story short, we save money using Karen's lost credit card.
Yeah, but I mean, it's not like we don't have any way to pay for it. So every time you say, how are we gonna pay? We do have a way to pay for it. It's just that it's a little more expensive now.
Our windshield is getting replaced now.
Yay! There are many things to look at in this waiting room. I will show you. Look at the fish. This didn't really taste good. This looks good. Very varied.
Awesome! That's huge!
Wow! Beanie. Look at them. There's him. That's him right there. Look at that. How did he put it back on so nice? What? It's crazy. All right, we're done with our time at On-Site Auto Glass and our windshield looks so beautiful. It's so clear.
Wow.
And we have this blue thing now, which we didn't have before. And then somehow he's stuck on our rear view mirror and our dash cam so nicely. Like, how did he do that? Before it was just
dash
tape.
cam is there too?
Yeah.
Oh, sweet.
And it's like a proper adhesive too.
Oh, nice. Okay, we made it to our next spot. We're at 99 Ranch. This is the place that Lorelai and Nick recommended, and we're finally here, and it's so awesome seeing all our Asian foods, our familiar foods, because we've been deprived in Mexico. All right, we're having hot pot for dinner. Look at that.
It's the tom yum.
I don't think I've ever had the tom yum.
Really?
For a hot pot,
For
yeah.
hot pot, maybe.
This is our setup. We're ready to eat. Let's go. Okay, how was your first bite?
It was good. I want a little tough in the beef.
Aw, it's Wagyu.
I know.
50% off. That's why it was
That's
50% off. Yeah. Guys, I'm having a great time eating. Great time eating. And with the sun setting, it's a little cool. So I'm just in this little sweater, eating hot pot. So good.
Mm-hmm. So this is the Japanese garden. Designed by students, and then it got approved, and then now it exists. So yeah. Ooh.
It is.
Ooh.
We just moved it. So. Okay, good. Oh my god. Oh. We're gonna turn on. Just staring? Sunbathing?
A lot of people are taking grad photos. Like everybody. There's a girl in a red dress. There's people in suits and stuff.
This is the rose garden. And it's just so colorful. It's so pretty.
Please zoom.
Will you focus? Focus. Focus. Oh.
This is the university quad.
Uh-huh.
I guess this is where all the students come and hang out, you know, during their break, have lunch, picnic,
Maybe.
go on a date.
Maybe. It's really dead right now because it's Saturday. I'm assuming.
Yeah.
We are walking on a trail, which we haven't done in a long time.
Yeah. Like through trees.
Yeah.
This is awesome.
Like, it smells like trees.
Oh yeah,
Weird.
it does.
We're in the farm store. The farm store. The farm store. Pickled by students, likely. Nice. All the types of tomatoes. It's crazy. These figs smell really good. We're going there. Oh, did you hit it?
No! Wait, I want to hit one. I want to hit one.
Did you do it?
Yeah.
Nice.
Wait, you didn't see it?
How are you, player?
Doing really well. You know, I'm hitting my home runs. Yeah, the crowd's cheering me on. I love the support. Yeah, I'm gonna go hit a home run. It's 9-3 now. Let's hit it off. Oh, nice! The game that we're playing is called Snowboarder. Okay, let's go. Come on, Garrett.
This is fun.
This is cool. Yeah.
This is such a vibe.
Karen.
Noodles.
Look what I got. It doesn't look as pretty because it's takeout. Hi. Hi. Hi, Sophie.
Hey, Sophie.
Sophie.
Can I pet her head?
Yeah.
So this is our friend's horse that he takes care of.
Your teeth are yellow.
She's Liberty.
Liberty. She's the top of the hierarchy. Oh. Oh. There it is. Is that one also?
Yeah, I guess so. Yeah.
That
too.
one and that one?
Aw.
Oh.
I think he's trying to drink. I think it's working. You think it's working?
Hey guys, we have left our friend and now we are on our own again. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna head in and buy some groceries. So let's go.
We have a big problem. Everywhere we turn, there's such good food.
We're back from the grocery store and now we are driving. We're gonna drive as far as we can today and see where we end up. Ooh, look at so nice.
As we're leaving California to Las Vegas, we're just looking at the mountains here, and they remind me of Hawaii because they're very green mountains. It looks really pretty.
Yeah. Ooh, Vegas. It's very pretty, the colors. We are in Nevada now, and it's 8:30, and we are sleepy. It's been a while since we've driven in nighttime, and we're not used to it. Look at the lights. There's a right when you enter Nevada. There are stuff. Okay, we're staying at this Chevron because we're too lazy to drive a little further. Hopefully it's okay. I mean, I don't know.